Here is an incredible post hole digger that I picked up. It has the fiberglass handles. It has been doing incredible work. I've been digging 2 feet down for 4x4 posts. Super, super sturdy build. Feels like I'm digging into just rocks, and it has held up so well. So far, I've put in 11 4x4 posts. Like I said, 2 feet down, each of them just using this. Could not ask for a better post hole digger. Really hefty, really well built. Does the trick. All those posts. What a good post hole digger. I couldn't do this job without it. Midway through a hole right now, but I would highly, highly, highly recommend this. Super, super well built. No question, it's gonna do the job. Get this.